Here given, evaluate 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So that purpose tan theta to observed we can write sin theta by cos theta, and sec theta means 1 by cos theta. That means in this both the same denominator cos theta there, and here cot theta means we can write cos theta by sin theta, and cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. That means in this both sin theta has the same denominator, so that will be taking 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. Now here cos theta is the same denominator, so taking the LCM of cos theta, so now it is cos theta. Now here the same denominator, so direct to that one writing cos theta plus sin theta plus 1, and here we observed the same denominator sin theta there. So if we taking the LCM as sin theta, now we can write sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now if we observe both numerators, here cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 there, here sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 there. So sin theta plus cos theta or cos theta plus sin theta both will be same. So if we taken sin theta plus cos theta as a single number, and 1 will be another number, now we can observe it will be in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So in that form we have a chance to write. So cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square by direct product doing, that purpose cos theta into sin theta. Now cos theta plus sin theta means it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in that form written means cos theta whole square, that means cos square theta, plus sin theta whole square, that means sin square theta, plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 square, that is nothing but 1 by cos theta sin theta. From the relation of sin square theta cos square theta equal to 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal, so that will be substituting 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta sin theta. So 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, that equal to 2 cos theta sin theta in the numerator, remaining 1, 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. So the numerator and denominator have same trigonometric ratio values, cos theta sin theta, cos theta sin theta, so both will be gets cancelled. So the remaining one is 2. So that means here the denominator is 1, 2 by 1 means we gets 2. So the result of 1 plus tan theta into sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to 2. Okay. Prove that 1 by sin square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So we taking the LHS 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta. So 1 by sin square theta means we can write cosec square theta minus cos square theta. So the relation of cosec square and cos square theta is cosec square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. So here we can directly take 1. So 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta equal to 1. Otherwise, if cot theta means we can write cos by sin. So here also LCM we can doing means 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta equal to we can write 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta by sin square theta. Now the like fractions to direct subtraction doing 1 minus cos square theta by sin square theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta means already we know 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. So sin square theta by sin square theta, that is nothing but 1. So here also we get the same result. So any one method we have a chance to do. Okay, if cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. So here our to given cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, and we have to find cos theta. So cosec theta, cot theta and cos theta has no relation. So, but cosec theta, cot theta has a relation there when they are in square form, that is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So by using this principle, now first we taking, so given cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So here cosec square theta minus cot square theta means they are nothing but a square minus b square. So a square minus b square equal to, we know that is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So we can write cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1. And we already know that the given one cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. So that will be substituting. So k into cosec theta minus cot theta. Now multiplication k transferring to this side, that is division. So cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Now if the given one is taken as equation 2 and now we get one equation 2 model taken means, now if adding the both the equations, adding equations 1 and 2, cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k and cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Now by the addition, cosec theta plus cosec theta equal to 2 cosec theta plus cot theta minus cot theta gets cancelled, that equal to k plus 1 by k. Now here the LCM of k plus 1 by k is k. Now k into k square plus 1. K square plus 1 is nothing but 2 cosec theta. Now cosec theta equal to multiplication to transferring to this side, that is nothing but k square plus 1 by 2k. We have to find cos theta. So cos theta and sin theta has a relation. So cosec theta can be written as sin theta. So cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2k. Now we are writing the reciprocal, that means numerator, denominator, denominator, numerator. Sin theta equal to 2k by k square plus 1. So here sin theta by 1. So sin theta by 1 means that is nothing but sin theta. Sin theta equal to 2k by k square plus 1. Now sin theta and cos theta has relation sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So now that will be taking, we have to find cos theta. Cos theta equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta. So that will be taking cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So here sin theta equal to, we get to 2k by k square plus 1. That will be writing whole square. So now the square value, now it is in the form of a power m by a by b whole power m. So that is nothing but a power m by b power m. So both two splitting. So 1 minus 2k whole square, that is nothing but 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square. Now here we taking the LCM of these two fractions. One is nothing but 1 by 1. So that is k square plus 1 whole square. So here k square plus 1 whole square minus 4k square. Now k square plus 1 whole square means it is nothing but in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to, we already know that a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in that form written means k square whole square, that is nothing but k power 4 plus b square, 1 square means 1 plus 2ab, 2 into k square into 1. So that is 2k square minus here 4k square there, that will be writing k square plus 1 whole square. Now minus 4k square plus 2k square is nothing but minus 2k square. So k power 4 plus 1 minus 2k square by k square plus 1 whole square. Now here if we observe k power 4 means we can write k square whole square and 1 means 1 whole square. So this term we can write as 2 into k square into 1. That means it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square. Now here we are taking a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. So taking as a single square, single power, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 whole square, that is equal to cos square theta here. So now we want to get cos theta only. Why? Because the answer is in cos theta. So square root on both sides. Now we get cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay, if sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to 4, then find the value of theta. that is the question given. So the given one sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to 4. Take it. Now here for getting the theta result purpose, now LCM doing for these two fractions. So here the two denominators are different, they are not same. One is 1 minus cos theta, one is 1 plus cos theta. So now taking the LCM of these two is nothing but the product of 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So now sin theta is multiplying with 1 plus cos theta, and here sin theta is multiplying with 1 minus cos theta. So sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now if we multiplying sin theta with 1 plus cos theta, that is nothing but sin theta into 1, sin theta into cos theta means sin theta cos theta. So that is sin theta plus sin theta cos theta. Next, if sin theta multiplying with 1 minus cos theta, sin theta into 1, sin theta into minus cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So that is sin theta minus sin theta cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So now it is nothing but in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square, that means 1 square minus cos theta whole square. So sin theta plus sin theta 2 sin theta, sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta, same values but different symbol, that purpose opposite symbol purpose both will be cancelled by 1 minus 1 square means 1, cos theta whole square means cos square theta equal to 4. So we know that 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta. So now in the place of 1 minus cos square theta we writing sin square theta. So sin square theta means it is nothing but sin theta into sin theta. So sin theta to sin theta gets cancelled. So 2 by sin theta equal to 4. Now the 4 transferred this side means denominator and denominator sin theta transferred means that is here their multiplication. So 2 by 4 equal to sin theta. So sin theta equal to 1 by 2. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. So in sin theta when we get 1 by 2 at the theta of 30 degrees we get 1 by 2. So now both sides sin is the same. So now the theta value is nothing but 30 degrees. Okay. So if sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to 4, then the theta value is 30 degrees. Here given the problem, if x equal to a sec theta and y equal to b tan theta, then prove that x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So first the taking given one, given x equal to a sec theta. So our answer is x square by a square, the purpose squaring on both sides, that is nothing but x whole square equal to a sec theta whole square. Now a into b whole power m equal to a power m into b power m. That means we can take x square equal to a square into sec square theta. Okay, now our answer is x square by a square there. So that purpose this multiplication x square transferring this side, that is nothing but division. X square by a square equal to sec square theta. Now the second given one, y equal to b tan theta, and here also y square there. So now squaring on both sides, so y whole square equal to b tan theta whole square. So here similarly ab whole power m equal to a power m into b power m, that means y square equal to b square into tan square theta. Now here also y square by b square there, so multiplication b square transferring this side, that is nothing but division. So y square by b square equal to tan square theta. Now we have a relation between sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So now these two values subtracting, then x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So we know that sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Show that cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta equal to 2 sec theta. So now we taking the LHS, that is cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Now here if we observe both fractions has different denominators, so direct multiplying that denominators, that is nothing but 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. So now cos theta into cos theta, that is cos square theta, 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, that is nothing but 1 minus sin theta whole square. So cos square theta plus 1 minus sin theta whole square. Now 1 minus sin theta whole square means it is in the form of a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So now we can write cos square theta plus 1 square means 1 plus sin square theta b square minus 2ab, 2 into 1 into sin theta, that is nothing but 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. So we know a relation between sin square theta and cos square theta, that is nothing but sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So now in the place of sin square theta plus cos square theta, both that place 1 plus 1, already here 1 there, minus 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 2. So 2 minus 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Now 2 minus 2 sin theta, in this 2 can written as 2 1, that means 2 is the common number. So that 2 number common taking, we can write 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. So 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, numerator and denominator with the same number, so both ratios will be cancelled. That means here remained 1 is 2 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta is nothing but sec theta, so that equal to 2 into sec theta. So it is the value for cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus sin 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, that equal to 2 sec theta. Okay, express all trigonometric ratios in terms of tan theta. So all trigonometric ratios, sin, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot, all ratios are expressed in tan theta. So that model we observe. So sin theta is expressed in the terms of tan theta. So sin theta and tan theta has not any special relation, but sin theta and cos theta has relation there, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this we can write sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So now cos square theta can be written as 1 by sec square theta, 1 minus 1 by sec square theta. Now if we taking the LCM, that is sec square theta minus 1 by sec square theta. Now we know that sec square theta minus 1, sec square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta by sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, that is nothing but sin square theta. So sin theta means square root on both sides, that is nothing but under root tan square theta, that means tan theta by under root 1 plus tan square theta, that is sin value expressed in tan. Next cos value taking. So cos theta is nothing but the trigonometric ratio of 1 by sec theta. Now sec theta equal to, we know, under root 1 plus tan square theta, so that equal to 1 by under root 1 plus tan square theta. It is the value for cos theta. Tan theta means it is nothing but tan theta only. Next cosec theta. So cosec theta equal to, that is the reciprocal of sin theta, so 1 by sin theta. From here we know that sin theta equal to tan theta by under root 1 plus tan square theta, so that will be substituting 1 by tan theta by under root 1 plus tan square theta. So that means that is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta by tan theta, that is the value of cosec theta. Next the sec theta equal to, sec theta means that is the reciprocal of cos theta, so sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So cos theta value is 1 by root 1 plus tan square theta, so 1 by root 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 by root 1 plus tan square theta means it is nothing but under root 1 plus tan square theta, sec theta equal to. Next cot theta equal to, that is the reciprocal of 1 by tan theta, So cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Now if we observe the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta, all trigonometric ratios are expressed in tan theta.